Our eyes contain muscles that allow the pupil to get bigger and smaller. The iris of your eye is the coloured part containing the muscle that controls how big the pupil, or the hole in the middle of the iris, is. Remember, the pupil is a black hole that allows light into the eyeball. So when a specific muscle contracts, the pupil gets smaller, and when it relaxes, the pupil gets bigger. In the exam, don't simply say that the muscles contract, as there are antagonistic muscles involved. You don't need to know this, but make sure that you're clear when you're writing a response. Remember that the size of the pupil is linked to how much light is let in. The bigger the pupil, the more light is let in. So if this is the case, why don't we always have large pupils to let in as much light as possible? Letting in too much light can damage the retina. Remember, the retina is the layer at the back of your eye that contains the light receptors. Each of these pupils correspond to a different level of light. This eye here shows what your pupil would look like in average light. When exposed to a bright light, the pupil goes very small like this. And when in low light conditions, the pupil gets much bigger. This movement is a reflex, as we cannot control our iris muscles voluntarily. How can we test this reflex? Your iris reflex can be tested easily by covering one eye. You can do this in the mirror or with a friend. So when one eye is covered in a lit room, both pupils will dilate. This is because when one eye gets covered, it's exposed to darkness, so the pupil will increase in size to let more light in. Both pupils should change at the same time, so with this eye covered, this eye will also dilate. Testing this reflex can uncover problems with the nervous system. Medical professionals often test this by shining a light in the eye and examining the change in the pupil size.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!